Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to disable camera access for apps on Android. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to disable your camera access for apps, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just look for privacy. Here's the privacy, just select, and here select permission manager, and here you just have to look for camera. Here's chat, tab on it, and here you will get all the apps which has or don't has any access to your camera. You will get all the apps here. You just have to look for the app which access you want to disable. As I want to disable the access of this one, so just tap on it, and here tap on don't allow, and then tap on don't allow anyway. So in this way you can easily disable access of all the apps. You just have to tap on the app and then tap on don't allow and repeat the method for every app which access you want to disable. So that's how you can easily disable camera access for apps on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.